So let's continue. Now, so in here, so let's try to apply our skill on a paragraph. Now, write a paragraph about your daily routine. So write a paragraph about your daily routine. Okay. So let's try to write. Now, first, I get up every day at 8 p.m. I take a shower and wash my teeth at 8:30. After that, I take my breakfast at 8:45. Then I dress up for work. I go off my home at 9. Next, I reach my work at 9:30. I stay at work for 7 hours. I go back home at 5. After that, I take my lunch at 5:30. Then I take a nap from 6 to 8. I wake up at 8 and I watch the TV until 10. I surf the internet for 2 hours. Finally, I go to bed at 12. Finally, I go to bed at 12. So these are what? These are, for example, my daily routine. I start my job like this, and I start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what do we notice here with the verbs? The verbs in red. The verbs here. So the verbs in red are what? Are simple present. Because it's what? It's a habit. So it's a habit. My daily routine is a habit. So are very simple present. So how to write a paragraph about my daily routine? I write it in a simple present form. I wake up at, I take my breakfast at, see, I go to school, I watch TV, I surf the internet, I listen to music, I eat my dinner, I, let's say, pray, I do whatever. Anything you do every day, it's a daily routine. Okay? So let's go to the next one. Now, I want you, to talk using these tips. Now, you have to say first. First, that means the first thing. First thing ever, I wake up. The first thing ever, I wake up from sleep. So I wake up from sleep. Then, after that, finally. So we have first, then, after that, and finally. We have another one I forgot to put here. Next. So this one is important. This one can be with these. Okay. So next can be with those. So in between, so I have then, after that, and next. The beginning, I have first. At the end, it's final. So first, then, next, after that, then, next, after that, I can shift between them. I use then, I use one time next, one time after that, one time then, one time next, one time after that. I can change, no problem. They don't have an order. Change them, use whatever you want. But in the beginning, use first. At the end, use final. Okay? Now, let's continue. I want you now to do something. Now, I want you to bring paper, and I want you to write a paragraph about you. Write this paragraph. Okay? So, let's take like a minute or something. So in that minute, so I'll have, for example, a pen. So and I write with my hand. So here, so in that minute, so I'll start. Okay, I'll start like this. So let's say, for example, I will write I wake up, or I can say I get up. At what? What time? What time do you get up? For school, of course, you wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. That's the first sentence. That's the first one. So I say, yes, I say first. I say first. I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I take my breakfast at 7:30. We forgot something. Do we take the breakfast after waking up? Oh no, I take a shower. So next, I take a shower at, let's say, 7:50 a.m. 7:15 a.m. So, then I take my breakfast at 7:30. After that, I go, after that, I, very nice, dress up. See, dress up my clothes. So I dress up for school. Next, then I leave my house, go to school at, yes, 7:50. After that, I reach work or school. I reach school at, let's say I take a half an hour walking or something like that, so 7:15. I'm so sorry. 8:50. So I reach my work 8:50 a.m. Then, okay, then what do I do? Then, okay, then I stay at work for, sorry, at school for 6 hours. That means I leave school at, I'm staying 6 hours, over 6 hours. I leave school at 6 plus 8, yes, at 2 p.m. I go back home at 3 a.m. 3 p.m. Sorry. I eat. You can say next. After that, I eat my breakfast at. I'm so sorry, not breakfast. Lunch at, yes, at 4 p.m. Then I talk about all the things I do. After that, at the end, finally, I go to bed at 12 a.m. See? So this is how I talk about my daily routine. So if I want to learn anything, I have my pen, I have my paper, and I start writing. Everything. Everything. Because I will learn it through writing. I will learn to remember the things and to remember the tense and to remember everything. So simple things. I'm talking about myself. I use simple form of words. Okay? Now, continue. Okay. So what's next? Next, we have something. Next, we have adjective. No problem. So now we talk about what? Now we talked about this. We talked about days. We talked about weeks. We talked about months. We say months, and we talked about years. Okay. So days, weeks, months, years. So days, weeks, months, years. Okay. So. Okay. You have questions about this? You know now? Days, the weeks, the months, the years. So we have the thing. So we have here that the smallest thing is 60 seconds. 60 seconds makes 1 minute. Then 60 minutes makes 1 hour. So 60 minutes make 1 hour. 24 hours make 1 day, 7 days make 1 week, 4 weeks make 1 month, 12 months make 1 year, 10 years make decade, 100 years make century, 1,000 years make a minute. So, very nice so far. Let's go for the last thing, then we wait for the third. Now, we said that the weeks, we have two kinds of weeks. Earth weeks, that's our week. We start Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. American week starts on Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We both have something called weekends. That means we don't work on them. So Saturday and Friday for us Earth, Saturday and Sunday for Americans. Now, there is one more thing we have to know about here. We have something which is called preposition. So, preposition. What are the prepositions? Prepositions are like letters or small words that talk about something of the word, such as what? Such as in, and. So we have in and on, 3 prepositions. Now we have month, 2 months, days, we have weeks, months, and we have lost days. Of course, we have before days, we have hours. Okay, so hours, days, weeks, months, and years. Okay, so these are the things that we talked about today. Now, in this book, hours, days, weeks, months, and years, at or on. I don't know. Let's give an example. Let's give an example for hours. I go to work, empty space, 6 a.m. Then we have another thing. I go to my grandfather, empty space. I go to my grandfather, empty space, Friday. Now, I go to the club one day week. I will travel to Paris, space, April. I went to my grandmother, space, of April. I will study geography. So we want to put prepositions. Now, let's see how will we put the preposition. So let's make each one here red. Okay, so that's the empty space. Red. So here, let's start by the first one. I go to work 6 a.m. So that's time. For time, it takes one thing. It's act. That's all. Time, it just act. You don't think about it. So for time, it takes. Now, for days, it takes on. For days, it takes just on. Now, for weeks, I go to the club 1 week, 1 day. Yeah, here it's somehow tricky. I can use one of two things. I can use 1 day per week, or we're talking about the same thing. 1 day a week. 1 day a week. Now months. For months, it takes in. For month is in. Now how about this? That's a month. Okay. Let's say, for example, like this. Let's write it like this. So this is a month. But we have what's that? Fifth. Fifth, that means a day. Very nice. And for days we put what? Nice. On. Here it's on. Why? Because here I have a day, not a month. For years I have So again, so for hours I have time, I have at. Very nice. Now for days I have on. For weeks I have per or at. For month, for the month I have what? Very nice. I have in. But if I have a day in the month, so I have on. Then if I have a year, it's in. Okay, so let's move on. Let's talk about something nice. Seasons. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in this picture? So, this picture here, what do you see? What's this? This, what's this? What's the difference? What's the difference between them? We have 12 years and 4 seasons per night. So what are these seasons? So let's move on. What are these 4 seasons? We have number 1 is summer. Very nice. Number 2, winter. Number 3, fall. Number 4, spring. Now as for fall, we have something here for fall. Fall is sometimes big, like it's called fall. It was autumn. So I can say fall or autumn. And so it has both names, fall or autumn. But now they call it fall. Just just 4. So summer, winter, fall, and spring. Summer, winter, fall, and spring. So these are the 4 seasons. Now let's continue. Now let's continue with something else, which is a video. Let's bring that video to help you understand the weather. So go for this one.
.com. Go! It's winter time, it's winter time. It's cold. It's winter time, it's winter time. And it's cold. It's winter time, it's winter time. And it's cold. Let's eat some salad. Stop. It's yummy. Stop. It's yummy. Stop. Go. Look, flowers. It's springtime. It's springtime. Look, flowers. It's springtime. It's springtime. Look, flowers. Let's eat some flowers. Stop. I swallowed a bee. Stop. Go. It's summertime. It's summertime. It's hot. It's summertime. It's summertime. And it's hot. It's summertime. It's summertime. And it's hot. Kakigori time. Stop. It's yummy. Stop. Go. It's fall. It's fall. Look, leaves. It's fall. It's fall. Look, leaves. It's fall. It's fall. Look, leaves. Let's eat some leaves. Stop. Leaves are yucky. Stop.
Now, let's continue. Before we stop for praying, we watched the song talking about seasons. So what are the seasons? Again, so let's recap what we actually took. So we talked about summer, winter, fall, and spring. Summer, winter, fall, and spring. Now we said that the fall can be called autumn as well. So both names. But nowadays in USA they call it fall. Okay, so summer, winter, fall, and spring. Now there is something about this pronunciation of winter, so it will be winter. So winter. So that's something called the omitted T. So winter. Like somehow it's reduced. So I don't say winter, no, winter. Winter. The same as Saturday. See? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So here it's winter. So it's not winter, so it's winter. So summer, winter, fall, and spring. So these are